As is quite typical with these twin tank XJs, the drain hole in the fuel filler, it just blocks. Because they're recessed, the chrome sits quite deep, and water goes down here. It does have a drain hole, and if I just put a little bit of, just got some drinking water here. I've already cleaned this and they were both blocked. And what happens if you allow this to get blocked, it just gets mud and leaf and all sorts of debris gets in there, and there's a pipe on the inside, and the pipe flows out to the bottom here. So and what happens when it gets blocked, water sort of fills up, and water can overflow into the tank itself. It's the last thing you need is that seal there should, in theory, be tight enough to stop the water, but these do wear. Water can get inside. So I've cleaned this one out with a little bit of just electrical wire. And if I just pop a little bit of water, so it should drain away. Yeah, it's draining quite well. I'm squeezing quite a lot. It's probably about half a litre here. And if I will be able to catch it coming out the bottom, there it comes up. There's a drain hole under here. So that was completely solid, and I've just sort of forced a piece of wire through. The wire is still sticking out of the opposite tank. It's shoved down this hole about 18 inches. It's just I think it's 1.5 millimeter. It might be 2.5. Yeah, it's 2.5 millimeter electrical cable. I've deliberately left the plastic sleeving on there so that the copper doesn't scratch anywhere. So I've fished this around quite a lot. So let's just pull it out. You can see it's quite long. It's a good sort of 18 inches, maybe 2 feet long. Let's just see if that's cleared now. It's completely blocked, and the water really was backing up. You know, there's a good risk it could have overflown into the tank here. So let's just pop a little bit in and see if it flows away. Yeah, I can hear it dribbling on the pavement by my feet. It's quite a lot there. Let's really flush it through. Yeah, it's definitely going through. Literally, I'm just going to squirt the rest of the litre through there because I think there is still some debris inside. But it just pays to keep these clean. If you've got one of these old things, it's a very easy job. And there we go, look, it's dribbling out the bottom there. We've got half a litre of water underneath. And that should be fine for, you know, some months. You know, you just need to periodically check. And yeah, it's just moss, leaves, dirt, general debris gets into there. And you really do not want it overflowing into your fuel tank. And just remember to check that if you've got one of these lovely old things. Any twin tank Jaguar that's it's got the fillers up here, they always have a vertical drain. There's never such a problem on the if they're on the wings, but when they sit on the vertical panels like this, I bet no, it's horizontal. I'm saying it's vertical. It's not. It's horizontal. They always fill with mud. So just a quick video, and that will be it tonight.